and welcome to this lesson of Kindy Science. Lesson 8, the kidneys and the liver. Today I'm going to explain how the kidneys and the liver work. I'm going to give you an idea for an experiment that involves filtration, and James and Rose are going to tell you some fun facts. But first, we've got some revision to do about the blood. So, let's get to it. Revision time. Where in the body is blood made? Blood is made in the bone marrow in the centre of our bones. Blood is not just made up of red blood cells. There are lots of other parts to blood as well. What are they? Your blood is made up of both liquid and solids. The liquid part is called plasma, and it's made up of water, salts and protein. The solid part of your blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. The kidneys and liver. You have 2 kidneys in the small of your back, one on either side of your backbone. They look like large reddish brown beans, and each one is about the size of a fist. The kidneys filter about 200 litres of blood in a day. The kidney has 3 important jobs. It filters all of the waste from our body, maintains our fluid balance by making sure we've got enough water in our blood, and tells our bones when to make blood. The most important job of the kidney though is to make the urine, to filter the extra water out into our bladder, and we then pee it out. The liver also has 3 important jobs. It cleans our blood, it makes bile, and it stores vitamins and sugar. The liver is the largest single organ inside our body. It helps us by taking out the toxins or filtering out the toxins. So the kidneys filter water, but the liver filters toxins.
Let's experiment!
Make and observe different filters. The kidneys and the liver are a type of filter, and you've got lots of different types of filters around your home. You might have a pool filter, coffee filters. You might sift flour using a sifter. You may have magnets that help separate and sort things out. Out in the sand pit, you might have different filters and sifters to help you sort rocks out from the sand. You may even have at home one of these bought water filters to play with. Think about how you might come up with your own experiment, how to filter something. Don't take too long about it. You might end up like Fred.
Fun fact! Did you know that we have 2 kidneys in our body, but we can live with just 1? Fun fact!
Did you know if a doctor removed a little bit of your liver, it would grow back?
So how did you go this week? Do you think you know everything there is about the kidney and the liver? And what idea have you got to do your experiment? Are you going to filter some dirty water? Are you going to go into the sand pit and do some sifting and separating? Remember, that's up to you. Come up with your own ideas of how you're going to filter things, just like the kidneys and the liver do. We've got 2 more lessons left of kidney science. We've got a lesson about the skin and our final lesson, which is how to stay healthy. So, you've worked really hard this week. Give yourself a pat on the back. Give yourself a pretend sticker. And I'll see you next lesson. Bye.